Guys, my name is Shiv Yadav. Now we are going to learn greater than and smaller than. You know greater than and smaller than are very easy, but some students know they are very hard. So now we are going to learn greater than and smaller than. Now I am going to teach in learn in very simple way. Now see, this is which sign? This is which sign? We know this is greater than and this is smaller sign. Now see, greater sign. This is greater sign, then this is a smaller sign. I am telling you again, this is greater sign and this is smaller sign. Now we are going to do first greater sign. Now see, this is 1, 2, 1, 3. This is 1 and this is also 1. This is 2 and this is 3. So which digit is greater? This. So there is this answer. Now next question. This is the simple way. Now we are going to do second question. Now see, this is 15 and this is 13. So now, which is the greatest? This is 1, this is also 1. This is 5 and this is 3. So this is 15 and this is 13. So the greater number is 15. Now we are going to do 3 digits number. Now see, this is 2, 1, 3 and 4, 1, 2. This is 2, this is 4, this is 1, this is 1, this is 3 and this is 2. So which is the greatest number? Greatest number is this. So the face is here. Now we are taking greater sign. Now see, this is greater sign. See, where is open way? This is greater, and where is close way? This is smaller. Now see, there is close way, so this side is close. There is open way, so this is greater. Now see, we are taking one question like this. 4, 1, 3, 5, 21. So now, what's the greater answer is? 4, 1, 3 and this is 5, 2, 1. Now I am going to take a sign. This is greater, this is smaller. Now see, this is 4, 1, 3 and this is 5, 2, 1. So this is a smaller and this is big. So the sign is this and there is 0. So there is 6. So this is not a greater. Greater sign is 6. So the answer is this only. Now we are going to take fourth digits number. Now see, 5, 1, 6, 7, 7, 1, 8, 2. So now see, this is 5, 1, 6, 7 and this is 7, 1, 8, 2. So now I am going to take a sign. See, 1 minute. See, this is greater and where is not a open side? There is smaller. So now this is 5, 1, 6, 7. This is 7, 1, 8, 2. Now see, this is 560, 50, 167, 67. Sorry, this is 5,167 and this is 7,182. So now see, this is smaller and this is greater. So the sign is coming this. So the answer is this. This is greater and this is smaller. So now see, there is 5 and there is 7. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. So there is this. So now I will take one question. See, there is 1, 2, 37, 1, 2, 57. Now see, 1 and 1 are same, 2 and 2 are same. So we will see 3 and 5. So which is greater? 5 is greater and 3 smaller. 7 is greater. 7 is also greater. So which is the greater? 5 is greater na? So the answer is 5. I am giving one question for you. Please write the answer in comment box. See, there is I have given 1, 3, 2, 7, 4, 1, 2, 6. Please write the answer of this question in comment box. अगर जो आपको मेरे चैनल अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। जय हिंद।